Right, Atina, for those that didn't see your pitch report a little while ago, just tell us a little bit more about this surface. Spot on as well. A little bit of movement in the air, that's nice to see. Bit of pace as well. Nice long follow through, nice and direct to the batsman.
Yeah, definitely some pace in the pitch, and we've seen that consistently throughout.
And a very good opening over. Just the one wide, but still 1 for none. Aspinwall. A little bit leg side. Oh, it's got through the keeper as well. So there's bonus runs.
Yeah, not the start that you would have wanted. Wide from Aspinwall. I've noticed throughout the Pakistan Junior League that it just takes us time to find his radar on his first over.
Well, that's gone straight through. Straight through and screamed away for 4. Might have a finger on the ball as well.
Well, this has gone quickly. Hard into the ground. He really should have stopped it. It wasn't that far over his head. It's sloppy. And I think it's because it's gone so quickly.
Pick that up. Not that much wrong with the ball, actually. It's just a wonderful, wonderful stroke.
Now this one's a bit too short. Bit too short. Fielder's in the circle. He's cleared the...
Cries of catch it, didn't get hold of that at all. Not a bad shot at the stumps. I think he would have been okay. Side.
I was just about to say, I hope that ball's hit somewhere near the bottom of the bat, because that swing and where the ball's gone, which is almost nowhere, doesn't make sense. And it is. It's gone and hit right at the bottom of the bat. Threw the shot sooner than the ball was there.
Yeah, Rana it was, who was going to the danger end. There'll be some assistance required there unless he trips over it. Oh, he's picked up that beautifully. That is a wonderful stroke, and that's gone 1 bounce for 4, right out of the screws.
Well, he's made one thing apparent in the last couple of overs. Don't bowl short to him. First shot in the last over, not as convincing as that, but this has come out the middle. Well in front of square, which shows you that he's on the ball in good time, in total control.
I suppose you could say he's laced that one. On a post. Oh, they might be able to double up. Yep, they will be able to. It just shows this broadcast is going all over the place, and I'm sure appreciated everywhere to watch these youngsters. Just a little bit of off-spin. Haven't seen too much off-spin throughout this tournament. They've only picked up 12 wickets at an average of 34.
On the boundary for protection. That's exactly what he's doing. He realizes that himself. Pretty flat, getting that ball through to the batter as quickly as possible.
16 dot balls for Saad Baig now. Throughout this innings of just 20 balls. He's one of those batsmen who needs to keep the scoreboard ticking over. Oh, they quite like this a little bit, actually. It's a bit of a delayed question to the man at adjudicating side on for that run out. Baig was having to get the strides in very quickly. It was a slow touch and turn.
It's a good return throw when he eventually gets himself to his home base in good time. 4 overs gone, 25 for no loss. When you consider the fortunes of the spinners or the effect they've had on the game when they've come in even after the power play, you would have expected that a lot sooner in the competition we would have seen them bowling earlier.
little bit of bounce, a little bit of turn, and found maybe the shoulder, the edge of the bat. Popped up. Safe enough, though.
Yeah, definitely just a bit of extra bounce.
I think the Giants will be pretty pleased the way they've just curbed this run flow right now. That over's just gone for 4, 5 gone, 29 for none.
Lifts that one, should be out. Oh, just over that fielder. For a moment, I thought he'll be in play. That's a boundary.
That's Saad Beg, the captain. He has been really good in the power play. The Hunters generally score 8.20 thanks to their captain Saad Beg. But this time, the Giants have kept them quiet. Relatively quiet.
They almost bumped into each other, the two batters. Look at that. Oh, this is the one where they almost had the catch.
Not sure Moeez Rana being promoted up the order. He didn't look quite comfortable in the last match when he played as an opener.
Oh, he almost got himself stumped. I think he's got a bit of bat onto that. That's the deflection that saved him. We'll wait for the umpire's signal. Now, yes, it's come off the bat.
Siobhan Daniel bowling in the second match, and that too in the power play. He's got pace on the ball while he spins it to the right-hander. Takes the outside edge. The length was really good. If there was a slip, it could have been a really good delivery.
Just beating point, getting a boundary on the last ball of the power play. 42 for no loss, Hyderabad Hunters.
And that will give him some confidence. The last boundary was off the edge. This one, better shot, good execution. And Siobhan Daniel, as an off spinner, you don't want to be hit outside off. 13 runs of this over after 6, 42 for naught.